Curious about the 2025 Lincoln Corsair's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up.
Interior view. The dashboard features a minimalist, elegant design with high-quality materials, a large digital display, and intuitive controls for a refined, user-friendly experience. The display features a high-resolution touchscreen with intuitive controls, supporting navigation, multimedia, and advanced connectivity options seamlessly. The cluster offers a customizable digital interface with crisp graphics, displaying essential driving information, safety alerts, and advanced vehicle data. The climate control system provides multi-zone functionality with precise temperature adjustments, air purification, and advanced airflow management for maximum comfort. The steering wheel features a heated function, ergonomic design, integrated controls, and premium materials for comfort and seamless functionality. Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators, adaptive cruise control, anti-lock braking system, battery, blind spot monitor, brake system, cruise control, turn signal, door ajar, electric park brake, engine coolant temperature, oil pressure, fasten seatbelt, front airbag, front fog lamps indicator, high beam, pre-collision assist, hood ajar, auto hold, liftgate ajar, low fuel level, low tire pressure warning, low washer fluid, lamps on, powertrain fault, malfunction indicator lamp, low beam malfunction, stability control off, automatic high beam, overspeed warning, auto start-stop, hill descent control, lane centering, lane keeping system, drive modes, deep snow, sand mode, eco mode, normal mode, excite mode, slippery mode, sport mode, tow haul mode, rear fog lamp.
External cord connected. Hybrid electric system failure. Ready to drive. Frost warning lamp.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.